Hey guys, welcome to Logic Matters. Today we are going to solve some interesting puzzles and you will have 10 seconds of time to resolve it. If you still need time, please feel free to pause the video. And without getting late, let's get into the question number 1. 12 multiplied by 12 equals to 9. 23 multiplied by 23 is equal to 16. Then 34 multiplied by 34 is equal to how much? You have 10 seconds of time to resolve this and your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's see the solution. So let's start with this. Okay. 12 into 12, that equals to 144, right? The logic behind this is add these values individually, like 1 plus 4 plus 4. That makes 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So, and the answer here is also 9. Similarly, the same logic will apply to be the second one. Okay, so 23 multiplied by 23 is equal to 529, right? So now add them. That makes 5 plus 2 plus 9, that equals to 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So this is also correct. So the same logic will be applied to this question, like 34 multiplied by 34 is equal to 1156. Now add all these things. Okay, that makes 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 13. So how many of you guessed it correct? Now let's move on to question number 2. 9 plus 5 is equal to 2. But how? You have 10 seconds of time to think about this and your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's see the solution. The answer is quite tricky. It's not just numbers, it's a time. So if I add 9 hours plus 5 hours, that makes 14. And if we see the 24 hours time format, this makes 2. And the answer is 2. So cool, isn't it? Now let's move on to the question number 3. 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 is equal to 32. 3 plus 3 is equal to 72. Then 4 plus 4 is equal to how much? You have 10 seconds of time and your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's see the solution. We'll go with the first one, that is 1 plus 1, that equals to 2, right? But the answer is 8 here. So to get the answer 8, there must be some logic behind this, right? So let's discuss about the logic. 2 to the power of 2, that is 2 square, that makes 4. And 4 multiplied by 2, that gives you 8. And the answer is also 8. Now let's see if the logic is correct by applying it to the second scenario. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 square makes 16, and 16 multiplied by 2, that makes 32, and the answer is 32. So this logic is correct. Similarly, we'll apply with this. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 square gives you answer 36, and 36 multiplied by 2, that gives an answer of 72. So this also correct. Now we'll apply to this 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 square gives an answer of 64, and 64 multiplied by 2, that gives you answer 128. So the answer is 128. So how many of you guessed the right answer? Now move on to the last question, that is question number 4. 1 equals to 4, 2 equals to 16, 3 equals to 64, then 4 is equal to how much? How many of you guess the logic behind this? Can you solve this? You have 10 seconds of time, and your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's see the solution. The answer is quite simple. I hope most of you have solved this. And the pattern here is 4 to the power of 1, that is 4. Now let's try with the next step. 4 to the power of 2, that is 4 into 4, that makes 16. Here we got 16. So this logic is correct. Now moving on to third one, 4 to the power of 3, that makes 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 again, that gives you 64, and the answer is 64. Now let's solve for this. 4 to the power of 4, that we have to multiply 4 by 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, that gives you an answer of 256. So the answer is 256. Simple, isn't it? So how many of you guessed all the answers correct? Comment your score below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.